Hello, I'm Sally with the Homespun Hobby, and I have a product launch announcement. I am so excited. I've been working on this for such a long time. I am now selling jigsaw puzzles. I found a manufacturer and I ordered a sample. And the artwork, this is my design with the help of AI art, and there's also some puzzles with old masters. So this is the 1,000 piece. They come in 300, 500, and 1,000. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up the box. Sure, not on camera, but let's see. Come on, open, open. I'm not going to redo this. I'm not going to redo this video. Come on, it's a nice sturdy box. The humidity here. I'm not going to tap my nails on it because it'll drive me crazy. I'm going to knock. That is a nice sturdy box. And this puzzle is made out of wood. And it comes in this little organza bag. And it has an image so you can follow along. I'm going to open up this bag. Now, if you are new to puzzles, this company actually prints codes on the back. You probably wouldn't be able to use this for a competition. Codes on the back so that you can divide the pieces into sections and then flip them over and work on them that way. Did I show you? Yeah. And I'll grab a few pieces here with the bright colors on them to show you how beautiful this is. I don't have any lights on in my house, it's just too hot. So hopefully this should be okay. Anyway, I love how bright the colors are. And they're wood, like I said. They're not the pressed cardboard. So right now I have 26 puzzles on homespunhobby.com or 26 designs, and they are buy two, get one free. Use code PuzzleJunkie at homespunhobby.com. The sale is going on right now until July 19th, and then it ends. So go take a look and sign up to get emails from me. I don't send them out very often. I do have private sales for email subscribers, and they've already had the private sale for the jigsaw puzzles. So sign up to hear about private sales in the future and check out the other puzzles I have. And I thank you very much. And now's a good time actually to order for Christmas because there's going to be shipping delays at Christmas time and the shipping prices are going to go up at Christmas time. So buy two, get one free. I didn't put any limit on how many you can order. So I hope you'll go check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.